Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I'm here with the AA Ignition replacement trunk latch actuator that fits the 2015 to 2017 Hyundai Sonata. Now this is the latch that sits in the trunk lid, and this is what allows your trunk to open and close. When you pull the trunk handle or when you press the trunk release button, this actuator here opens the lock and allows the trunk to open. The installation of this part is pretty straightforward. There's two bolts that would be removed on the inside of the trunk. You'll remove the electrical connector, and then this cable here, which is for the emergency release, you'll disconnect and you'll install the new latch in its place. If you guys have any questions about the installation, whether this part's for your vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.